Hi, so we're working on the game page today. If you don't have this page, then you can do the puzzle page, which is the other video. So for this one, it says, choose the pictures about thanking hospital workers, our article this week. We'll just go over each word. Our first word is janitor. A janitor is a person that keeps a building clean. Was that something or someone we talked about in this article?
Janitor.
Yeah. A janitor is someone that keeps a hospital clean. They're considered a hospital worker. What about the word healthy? Is healthy a word we've been thinking about this week? Yes. Healthy is one of our vocabulary words.
Healthy.
It means for someone to be um, free from any sickness or injury. Hurt. Is hurt a word that is related to our article?
Hurt.
Yeah. So if you're hurt, maybe like this person, you broke your arm or you fell down or something on the inside doesn't feel good. Maybe you have a stomachache or a really bad headache and you're hurt somehow, you could go to the hospital for help. This one is watermelon. Did we talk about watermelons in this article?
Watermelon.
No, we did not talk about watermelons this time. Hospital. Is hospital a word or a place that we talked about this week?
Hospital.
Yeah, we talked about the hospital. It's called hospital workers. The hospital is one of our vocabulary words. It's where people go, a place where people go if they're not feeling well, if something is wrong, or if they need to have a checkup to see how things are going. Palm tree. Did we talk about palm trees this article? Let's see.
Palm tree.
No, we did not talk about palm trees. What about hospital workers?
Hospital workers.
Yeah, hospital workers are people that work in hospitals, like doctors, nurses, therapists, janitors, office workers. All those people work in hospitals to help take care of us. Sick. Is sick a word that we talked about related to this article?
Sick.
Yeah. If you're feeling sick, maybe you have a sore throat, maybe your head really hurts, maybe your stomach is really bothering you. These are all uh, some things that people might go to the hospital for if it's really bad. Bus trip. Bus trip. Did we talk about bus trips?
Bus trip.
No, we didn't talk about any bus trips this time. What about doctor?
Doctor.
Yeah, doctor is someone that works at a hospital. They are a hospital worker. Help. Is help a word that we talked about?
Help.
Yeah. People, hospital workers are working to help us. That's one of our vocabulary words this week. Important. Is important something we talked about this week?
Important.
Yes. So hospital workers are very important, and that's why we want to thank them. Nurse. Is nurse something we talked about this week?
Nurse.
Yeah, nurses are also hospital workers like doctors. Busy. Is busy something we talked about?
Busy.
Yeah, doctors, nurses, lots of people in hospitals are very busy right now because there's a lot of people going in if they're feeling sick and they might think they have um, the flu or the coronavirus or something. Next word is golf course. Did we talk about golf course today in this article?
golf course,
No, no golf course. And last word is thank. Is thank a word that we've been referring to this week?
thank,
Yeah, thank is one of our vocabulary words. It means to show gratitude, to be appreciative. We're thanking hospital workers. So the words that should be circled are janitor, healthy, hurt, hospital, hospital workers, sick, doctor, help, important, nurse, busy, think.